What's up, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're not just looking at cool gadgets, we're talking about being prepared. We live in a world where things can change in an instant, and having the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're counting down the top 10 tactical survival gear for 2025, focusing on essential EDC tools and accessories you can get right now. These are the items that belong in your bag, on your belt, or in your pocket every single day. Let's get into it. Number 1. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. First up, a tool that is an absolute must-have for any survival kit, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This little gadget is a total game changer. It's a microbiology purification system that weighs almost nothing but provides a powerful punch. The LifeStraw removes an incredible 99% of waterborne bacteria and 99% of parasites, so you can safely drink from lakes, streams, or even puddles if you have to. Plus, it also filters out microplastics. Customers love how compact and lightweight it is, making your backpack lighter without sacrificing a crucial survival capability. It's a simple, easy-to-use tool that can literally save your life. Number 2. Anchor Power Bank. In the modern world, your phone is a communication tool, a map, and a source of information. A dead phone is a major liability. That's why the Anchor Power Bank is an essential part of your EDC. This isn't just any power bank. It's one of the slimmest and lightest 10,000 mAh chargers on the market. It can charge your phone multiple times and is built tough, certified by a drop test. With its two-way USB-C charging, it's quick to charge your devices and quick to recharge itself. This is the peace of mind you need to ensure you're never without power. Number 3. CRKTM 16-14 SFG Folding Knife. A reliable knife is the cornerstone of any tactical kit. The CRKTM 16-14 SFG is a folding knife with a fixed blade feel. Designed by Kit Carson, it has a dual grind tonneau blade for maximum strength. What makes this knife stand out is the automated liner safety. When the blade is open, a pin sets between the liner and the frame, making it incredibly secure and preventing accidental closing, a major safety feature. The VEF serrations are designed to slice through rope and fibrous materials with ease, and the G10 handle provides an exceptional grip in all conditions. This is a tough, dependable knife you can rely on. Number 4. MTAC CCW Sling Bag. When you need to carry gear discreetly, a tactical backpack isn't always the best choice. That's where the MTAC CCW Sling Bag comes in. It's a compact and durable solution for everyday carry. Made from high-strength, water-resistant polyester, this bag is built for urban environments. The key feature is that it's CCW-ready, with a built-in hook panel and a universal holster insert for concealed carry. It has multiple compartments to keep your small accessories organized, and its crossbody design gives you full mobility. Customers love its ability to fit compact weapons and its perfect size for daily use. Number 5. Adventure Medical Kit. You can't control when an emergency happens, but you can be prepared. The Adventure Medical Kit is an ultralight emergency kit that is perfect for your survival kit. It fits easily into a side pocket and contains all the essentials for common injuries you might face. It has bandages, gauze, antiseptic wipes, and even medications to help with pain and allergies. The durable, waterproof DryFlex bag keeps everything dry, no matter the conditions. It's a small, simple kit that has everything you need to clean and bandage a wound or treat a blister on the go. Number 6. One Edegris Dump Pouch. This might look like a small accessory, but the One Edegris Dump Pouch is a genius piece of tactical gear that you can't live without. When folded, it's about the size of a smartphone, taking up just a single mall grid on your gear. The magic happens when you need it. Just pull the Hypalon tab, and it instantly unfolds into a large pouch with a drawstring top. It has a surprising amount of capacity, perfect for stowing empty magazines on the range or for carrying foraging materials on a hike. This is a simple, rugged, and highly versatile tool for any situation. Number 7. Streamlight Microstream Flashlight. A reliable light source is critical in any survival situation. The Streamlight Microstream is a perfect choice for your EDC. It's an ultra-compact, ultra-tough flashlight that packs a serious punch. It delivers up to 250 lumens, which is an incredible amount of light for its size. The body is made of military-spec anodized aluminum, so it's extremely durable. The coolest feature is its rechargeable design. You just slide the sleeve forward to reveal a hidden USB port. It's small enough for a pocket clip or a keychain, so you always have a powerful light source with you. Number 8. Mechanics wear tactical gloves. Your hands are your most important tools. The mechanics wear tactical gloves are made for working hands. These gloves are known for their incredible high dexterity thanks to the super thin 0.5 mm material. They conform to the natural shape of your hand and have expandable flex joints to improve trigger finger mobility. The Trek-Dry material is breathable and moisture-wicking, keeping your hands cool and preventing blisters. Whether you're working on a project or handling a tool in a difficult situation, these gloves provide protection without sacrificing your precision. Number 9. Titan Survival Paracord 550. This isn't your average paracord. The Titan Survivorcord 550 is the original patented survival paracord designed in collaboration with Special Forces. It exceeds military spec requirements with a 620-pound tensile capacity. But what makes it truly unique are the 3 integrated survival strands on the inside. You'll find a monofilament fishing line, a metallic utility wire, and a waterproof, fire-starting jute fiber. This means you have 3 life-saving tools packed into a single, compact cord. It's the ultimate piece of multi-purpose survival gear. Number 10. Smith & Wesson Tactical Pen. Our final item proves that survival gear can be discreet and practical. The Smith & Wesson Tactical Pen looks like a normal pen, but it's a powerful tool for self-defense and survival. It's made from T6061 aircraft aluminum, so it's incredibly durable. The real genius is the ability to perform while blending in. The tip can be used as a last resort self-defense tool, or as a glass breaker to escape from a submerged car or a burning building. It's a tool you can carry every single day without anyone knowing what it's capable of. And there you have it, the top 10 tactical survival gear items for 2025. This list is a testament to the idea that being prepared isn't about being paranoid, it's about being smart. By having the right tools, you can handle unexpected challenges with confidence. I've put links to all of these products in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. What's your favorite piece of gear on this list, and what would you add to your own EDC kit? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.